Hello everyone. Welcome to Doc Pro, where learning English is easy and fun.
Today, we are going to talk about something very important.
How to stay positive every day.
Life is not always easy.
Some days are great, and some days are difficult.
Sometimes you wake up feeling happy and excited.
Other times, you wake up tired, worried, or stressed.
But here is the good news.
You can learn to have a more positive mindset.
You do not need a perfect life to feel positive.
You just need to change the way you look at your day.
So, let's learn some simple ways to stay positive every day while practicing natural American English.
First, start your morning with positive thoughts.
When you wake up, do not immediately think about your problems.
Do not start your day by thinking, I have too much work.
I am tired.
Today is going to be difficult.
Instead, try saying something positive.
Today is a new day.
I can do my best today.
I do not need to be perfect.
I can handle whatever comes my way.
These simple sentences can change your mood.
Remember, your first thoughts can affect your whole day.
Second, be thankful for what you have.
Gratitude is a simple way to become more positive.
You do not need to have a lot of money or a perfect life to be thankful.
You can be thankful for your family.
You can be thankful for your friends.
You can be thankful for your health.
You can be thankful for your home.
You can even be thankful for a warm cup of coffee in the morning.
Sometimes, we focus so much on what we do not have that we forget to appreciate what we already have.
So, every morning, think about 3 things you are thankful for.
For example, you can say, I am thankful for my family.
I am thankful for my home.
I am thankful for this new day.
It only takes a few seconds, but it can make a big difference.
Third, stop comparing yourself to other people.
This is one of the biggest reasons people feel unhappy.
You look at someone on social media and think, their life is perfect.
They have a better job.
They have a nicer house.
They travel more.
They look happier.
But remember, you are only seeing a small part of their life.
Everyone has problems.
Everyone has bad days.
Everyone has moments when they feel worried or insecure.
So, instead of comparing yourself to someone else, compare yourself to the person you were yesterday.
Ask yourself, am I learning?
Am I improving?
Am I becoming stronger?
Am I getting closer to my goals?
That is the comparison that really matters.
Fourth, focus on what you can control.
Sometimes we spend too much energy worrying about things we cannot change.
We worry about what other people think.
We worry about the past.
We worry about the future.
But you cannot change yesterday, and you cannot completely control tomorrow.
You can only control what you do today.
So, ask yourself, what can I do right now?
Maybe you can study English for 15 minutes.
Maybe you can clean your room.
Maybe you can go for a short walk.
Maybe you can call a friend.
Maybe you can simply take a deep breath and relax.
Small actions can make you feel better.
You do not have to solve your whole life in one day.
Just take one small step.
Fifth, be careful about the words you use.
The words you say to yourself are very powerful.
If you constantly say, I am not good enough.
I cannot do this.
My English is terrible.
I always make mistakes.
You will start believing those words.
Instead, change your language.
Say, I am still learning.
I am getting better.
Mistakes are part of learning.
I can improve with practice.
I may not be perfect, but I am making progress.
This is especially important when you are learning English.
Do not be afraid of mistakes.
If you make a grammar mistake, that is okay.
If you forget a word, that is okay.
If your pronunciation is not perfect, that is okay.
You are learning.
Every mistake gives you a chance to improve.
Now, let's talk about something very simple.
Smile.
Yes, something as simple as smiling can help you feel better.
When you smile, you can create a more positive feeling inside yourself.
So, try smiling when you meet someone.
Smile when you say hello.
Smile when you look in the mirror.
And smile at yourself.
You are doing better than you think.
Another important habit is to spend time with positive people.
The people around you can affect your mood.
If you spend all day with people who complain about everything, you may start feeling negative too.
But when you spend time with people who encourage you, support you, and believe in you, you feel stronger.
Choose people who make you feel respected and motivated.
And remember, you can also be that positive person for someone else.
Give someone a compliment.
Say thank you.
Ask someone how they are doing.
Help someone when you can.
Sometimes, making another person happy can make you feel happy too.
Finally, remember this.
You do not need to be positive every day.